If you play gospel music and you don't know this chord progression, I mean, you've not started. So I'm in the key of C, and I'm going to teach you this today. So we worship you, our God. You are God. So if you don't know this chord, I mean, you've not started gospel. So what's the background to this? So the basically the progression goes 2 3 4 2 5. Then you the 5 is like creating a tension, and then creating the release still on 5. Then you go to 1. So it goes like this. So what are the chords? So I'm playing F minor 6, which is F. This is in the key of C. Don't forget. So F minor 6. So that's a F, A flat, D. To the next chord, G, B flat, and E. Then to the next chord, A flat, C, and F. Then you go back to F minor 6, and then you go to your 5, which is actually playing one chord, second inversion. Then, so this is like the tension, then the release, then before going to your one chord. So one more time. We worship you, our God. Oh, you are worthy to be praised. I remember myself, Great Johnson Keys. Don't forget to follow me for more lessons. I have over 1,000 piano lessons on my channel, and don't forget to grab my intermediate piano course. Also, the link is going to be in the comment section and also in the description. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.